Welcome back to Blooming Excellence. Today, we're diving into an essential skill in Google Sheets, conditional formatting. Whether you want to highlight duplicate names, track specific orders, or make your data more visual, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started. Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into conditional formatting in Google Sheets to make tracking top sales performers super easy. We'll highlight sales figures that exceed the target so you can quickly spot achievements. So here's our data set. We've got 3 columns: sales rep names, target sales, and actual sales. To get started, select the actual sales column from C2 to C7. Then go to the top menu, click Format, and choose Conditional Formatting. On the right panel that pops up under Format Cells, if pick greater than. Now, in the box that appears, enter equals B2. This way, Google Sheets will compare each actual sales value to its target sales. Next, choose a highlight color. Let's go with light blue. Once you hit Done, you'll instantly see the actual sales values that are higher than their targets highlighted in blue. For example, John Doe, David Lee, Michael Brown, and Emma Wilson exceeded their targets, so their numbers stand out. And that's it. Easy, right? In the next chapter, we'll cover how to highlight overdue tasks in a to-do list using conditional formatting. Stay tuned, and let's make tracking tasks effortless. Hey everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into conditional formatting in Google Sheets to highlight overdue tasks in a to-do list. This is a great way to keep track of deadlines and stay organized. We have a simple dataset with tasks, their due dates, and their status. Our goal? Automatically highlight overdue tasks that haven't been marked as completed. Let's get started. First, select the Due Date column, column B. Then go to the top menu, click Format, and choose Conditional Formatting. Now, in the panel on the right, under Format Cells, if Select Custom Formula is, in the formula box, type equals and open bracket, B2 is less than today, open and close brackets, comma, C2 is not equal to completed, close bracket. Or, you can simply copy and paste this formula into the box. This tells Google Sheets to highlight tasks where the due date is before today, so it's overdue. The status is not completed, so only pending tasks are highlighted. Now, let's choose a red fill color to make overdue tasks stand out. If you want, you can even bold the text for better visibility. Click Done, and that's it. Your overdue tasks will now be automatically highlighted in red. For example, Task 1, January 25th, and Task 5, January 28th, will be highlighted because they're overdue and not completed. Task 3 won't be highlighted, even though it's overdue, because it's marked as completed. Tasks 2 and 4 won't be highlighted either, since their due dates are still in the future. And there you have it. Now you can easily spot overdue tasks in your to-do list. Coming up next, we'll learn how to find duplicate entries in a customer contact list using conditional formatting. Stay tuned, and let's clean up those records together. Hey there. Today, we're going to tidy up a customer contact list in Google Sheets by highlighting duplicate names using conditional formatting. This will help keep things organized and make sure you don't have repeated entries in your database. Alright, so here's what we've got. A simple table with 3 columns: customer name, email address, and order ID. But if we take a closer look, we can see that some names appear more than once. Let's fix that in just a few steps. First, we'll select the customer name column, starting from A2 down to A8. Then we'll go up to the Format menu and click on Conditional Formatting. On the right, a panel will pop up with the formatting options. Under Format Cells, if we'll select Custom Formula is. Now, in the formula box, we'll type equals countif, open parenthesis, a colon A, comma, A2, close parenthesis, greater than 1. Let me break it down. Countif, this function counts how many times something appears in a range. A colon A, we're telling Google Sheets to check the entire column A. A 2, we want it to count how many times the name in A2 appears. Greater than 1, if the count is more than 1, it means we have a duplicate, and Google Sheets will highlight it. So, in simple terms, this formula says, if this name appears more than once, highlight it. Now let's pick a highlight color. Let's go with light yellow so the duplicates stand out. Hit done and that's it. You'll see names like John Doe and Jane Smith highlighted, making it super easy to spot and clean up duplicates. And there you go. A quick and easy way to manage duplicate customer names in Google Sheets. In the next video, I'll show you how to highlight specific orders based on product type, like laptop orders, using conditional formatting. So stay tuned. Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're diving into conditional formatting in Google Sheets to highlight specific orders based on the product type. This is super handy when you want to quickly spot orders for certain products, like laptops. So here's our dataset. We've got 3 columns: customer name, product ordered, and order ID. Some of these orders are for laptops, and today we're going to highlight those. Let's get started by selecting the product ordered column. Just highlight from B2 down to B8. Next, head over to the Format menu and click on Conditional Formatting. Now, under Format Cells, select Text Contains. In the text box, type Laptop. Since that's the product we want to highlight today, choose a highlight color. Let's go with light yellow. Hit done and bam! All orders with Laptop in the product name will now be highlighted in yellow. It's a great way to quickly spot and track those orders. And you've just learned how to highlight orders based on product type using conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Now, let's take it up a notch and make this even more dynamic by selecting the product type using a dropdown. For this, we'll start by adding a dropdown list to dynamically select products. So, select a cell, go to Insert, and choose Dropdown. Then, under Criteria, pick Dropdown from a range. Select the data range, and choose the product names already listed in column B. Now we've got our drop-down list ready. Now let's apply conditional formatting again. Select the product ordered column from B2 to B8 and head to conditional formatting. This time, under Format Cells, choose Custom Formula in the formula box, type equals B2 equals $F$1. Here's what's happening. We start with equals B2. This is the first cell in our range, so it's checking the value in B2. Then we have equals $F$1. This part refers to the cell with the dropdown F1. The dollar signs keep F1 fixed, so it always refers to that cell, no matter which row it's checking. So what this does is compare each product in column B to the value selected in F1. If they match, the formatting will be applied. Pick a highlight color again. Let's go with light yellow and hit done. And that's it. Now, based on your selection in the dropdown, the orders for that product will be automatically highlighted in yellow. And that's it. You've just learned how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to highlight duplicates and track orders dynamically. Now go ahead and try it out in your own spreadsheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more Google Sheets and Excel tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.